Hello everyone, in this lesson I'm going to be teaching you how to play the song You Are So Beautiful to Me by Joe Cocker. This song was recommended to me by 2 subscribers, Jeff and Phil. Thank you guys for your recommendation. Now if any of you would like to leave me your song suggestions, just put them in the comment section down below and make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so that you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials. Alright, now let's go ahead and get started with this lesson.
So beautiful to me. You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? So beautiful to me.
All right, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you would like to get the chord chart for this song, just click right here to head on over to the website. All right, I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.